Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH. So, what friend me? Adwa searching him.
Yes, I mean, who be that? Say a whole political party slots are or the Mount Crawford. So, a moon found Mount for never from NDC for no. Oga can no be better and a Ghana for Massa Ghana for your NDC for and your MPP for and Muti a political party and a form of government. And into political parties will be a NDC near or yeah Jumama NDC will devote to time moon trianeka and Tiakatuani benin for so benyane say a baba na security slot near there almost kabi for the first time. Mahama government slots and go through. 70% of your slots and go through. You can no more waiting list. Other than NDC for no one go waiting list. NDC for na and a waiting list or monte. Other than no more go waiting list. You see, you can't some mamunti. Martina Siaman Kofowe at take underground in na no moshi shamasi. And a modi CEOs in your Marco Gusro. And I almost she were and I yeah Juma farmers in a man around a bear musa concert. You see, where some will set it up, and people are planting and crop for, but beer was here, and no more yeah Juma. And I'm not on a man appointed CEO now. He said, what a moon castle. Most slot me who be that. So ya must slot, not slaughter, copper, not a yeah Juma. Not a gia framing. One only MPP for na TV na MPP for miansa afa ama ya form o e wo servicing now no na gia na o yiri sika de campaign na ye sere agia na tu fi se metimi akogina agia nim so onko ka bi ma NDC na tese agia akra no nim nyansa e na tese me kra so me mbu me ho ni amodi abani o nti ni amoye no mu make sure say 2028 no mo amubesi from no masesa mabusiafo ene o makoyesa adwuma no na yentimi fa ya nimu nkodi sa afere we ene enum guase magu ya num ase o anum guase pa na modi abreye ebi si da someone kasa mo slot kura nko 70% of your slot and go through wait ubeka me kan obi baba betena se ayese nyansa e wo wiase nyina enu na wo nuti se wo nyansa odi be yi asem ya no Fako working a slot no go through. Metra mechre wa dream bonning. A dream be a betcha fa eye bonning. Mo guye numase. Na numguase de bibe come on so. Bye bye.
There be IMF, whatever research they have, whatever it is they know. Ghana is immune to global war.
Never. We are never immune.
In America,
we are never immune.
And they should tell our leaders there. Then they should apologize to Ghanaians. They say, and Tokwano, now pay me by who's a patron. You see, I cost.
And it's
again in our Kayan.
Ocean world markets now have what they said, rise, and Rana M say 111 or so.
119.
119, exactly. From here, he's 67 in the
and so is it because our leaders are incompetent? Is it because Ato is no longer forcing?
Level. No, hold on. Speaker, say international markets no cost but as soon so kasi yenye huye intienshe hawa unse sometimes no these politicians me ana de bia meka say omuduabo intino ya fanya omu because ne nitua say ade ne a and so be ma hunu say ade ne b amenu mienu nyina nitua and you know so we have some Ghanaians and so sebe wo mo a little bit gullible so it's weak akra bia beka no they just accept it as it is. But obi obeto no boase on onim de ekoso ntenye de oka na uti enti safo no wo munyom me am de America dey say yen twen let's give time some time yen twen afe na ebobo se ebekọ soro na ye be hwe esunsuanso no be bi edi e ba kwakodura ehọ de be because utia na the then opposition for no almost say yes of course Russia Ukraine war enya effects but the impact na any or how here na Ghana for equal na it was absurd because of mismanagement. Intermaker say the crisis need beba na mom eba the way obe manage the situation no and ebe me hu say wo you competent and as you incompetent.
But you see,
let's give time some time.
Fantastically and very well said. Me say better ha men kasama in kasama. I'll put it the way ebeye wo ya depending on some make no ebeye wo ya echna before beye wo de. Let nobody anywhere see says hadiwe esekai enkaye ento kwa no omko no aw enra eni amene wo ka wa hai so video design nam enkofo twa omo twa me ebi ntia say as a journalist I will say na date na be kai so me pese obi ogi tum say be kai no on me kire me ni ntia be kai.
Okay,
asem America, the import is that your politicians enye no kafo your politicians woman ya dadafo your politicians woman be so woman mwa omino they speak out of their belly and because of what they want to get and achieve for themselves because entokwano de enkayen ka be kan ya ne se bomb bi koto Lebanon so jafo bi ko praye nunkwani the impactor Ghana for yebenya but say as I say boko boy de okroma no
Debbie
say petrol boy de okroma petrol no akọ 11 cedis 40 something pesos no I don't agree. It should go back to 10 cedis. There and talk me see nobody obianto you say supersonic and hypersonic missiles on to ebiabaha. Somebody should look into my face and tell me say ebiabaha ebimba intense say kayen na kayen. Okay, your politicians in nyansa who oppositioner there are other messages you can send out to really exhibit your knowledge and the wisdom you have for the Ghanaian to vote for you. Do not turn out lies. Do not turn out ignorance. Do not. And you know I am too charged. I am too charged. You know why? Anytime these politicians are petrol politics, it ends up at their doorstep. Anytime politicians power politics, it ends up at you do can never form. Oh yes. You do kanya and run at you do kanya crowd show. Me say you do kanya and nobody I say kanya no do in class. You can area we boom near Dumuno. It's a bakwa rotation about this time. When in bounce ye dumo kanya. Anytime the politicians at the power issue by a campaign without tackling it real no. It ends up at their doorstep. Anytime the politician does forest politics, it ends up at their doorstep. Because some of the things we don't have absolute control over.
May I say control really be was so Jumedia no got a media TV so things can't
Edify Dr. Baumia, any MPP hono. Eka say MPP nya de na NDC better than MPP no. Or say by force so amen kwateme ho. Hello Sterling. Who will be can? Okay. You, Peppa to you, Mate. Now, Odiobedi Mimechini say, or Kote party, amame by force. The base, Yati a party. Charlie, Ghana for. Me na Ubedi Mechino. Me ya baby nkoka say me kwete party o. Say we 2x4 adwene na we de bedi mechi because we dey say ye be dawa lotion amount ambemu no. O de kwa kwete party. Let me tell you people this. And nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, Amudin kwasi a play, enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no. Se mo ya mo ho sa mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around, ye mfa nchemo. Ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China, ya mampanifo na omo ye yi na koye. Na ye no, ya seda, e de kobre e de aboyeti ene mo atena nkwase a api so edi nkwase asem we bi nsi Ghana da Se mo bubo obodam a yekoto aba abato no yato awie di owini ye wini so far Brian Champo megina baabi anka se ote ne ho so far Kennedy Japan enyina baabi aso ote ne ho enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo maame no nim nyansa enti no wo mama abodamfo ma na ne wo nyenyem ye edi sikadie ne nkwase asem abefra MPP mu a wo person nkwase asem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them playing. Mo amujina asa Kennedy Japan nkwa kwatini sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den. Mo kwati party ne. Aden na mo ankasa mo kwati party ne. But mo jimi mo ya baifo. Ade papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world, says he say MPP no on kahubio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Moye trash. Especially when I'm TikTok and social media no. Moye trash. Moye wuda. Moye got musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo. Mo beye ene mo nkwase etire esi mo nkwase akonso enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Sen kura sesem no ye meso so this time around kura. Na o modam a we be di me machi. Na najwa we be di machi. I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But as it stands, same crasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers, 19 viewers for na ya na mudimino. This time be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima betina bru chiriman mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say, can you Japan baby belima factory hoa? And I will tax in a Uchin Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sankura Semno. We are not gonna tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now crowd ye say ye kase kolo abua mu abua nka phobia member number 1. Number 1, who we are see abaye, onyankopon amfa anwofa amwa. Oho nyefe. Uti hwi nyefe. Osia pro. Wanum bon. Height so ayama ubi. Body so ayama ubi. Kasa so ayade ka brofo so ayama ubi. Reading your name kura na wu nim ye. Baumia, Baumia. Ne kraman yo wo fie kura ho wonfaso chen wo phobia member. Samira Baumia. Sebio mprediasa. Why na ye wie kura ko yi akone no de o yi akone no kura ho wonfaso chen wa bu abi te se phobia member. Na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo. That's them we me we feed that. Any opportunity be a wo phobia member da ye be biem mebo say me yemu pa me can be a wo sa boy no mebo. People think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be sa boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Na make no chima na koni with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me po boy, me po sa phobia member, me po phobia. Ebi na New York or no man ye be invite me here. And New York for ye be invite me the me ba